What's good, sis? It's your girl Chrissy Love, and we're back with another video. As you can see, my hair is starting to show off, so it's time to switch it up. If you want to see me go from this to this, then go ahead and keep watching, boo. So I actually did the back of my hair already, so I'm starting in the middle section. I'm just taking some, what is this? I think this is jam, and I am defining my parts. Y'all, I struggled so hard doing these triangle parts on myself. If you can get someone else to do it, then do that, because I would not recommend doing this yourself. Alright, so I guess the easy way to explain this is each row is going to be opposite of the previous row. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. I'm just trying to get this line, straight. It's so difficult. Alright, now that I have that line straight, I'm going to define my part with some jam. And then I am going to create 2 triangles in that small section. Now I am using the rubber band method just because it's easier to keep my parts separated, being that I'm going to, add my twist in all at the same time. Now y'all, I am not a professional hair braider, stylist, none of that, so this style would not be in the best or most precise condition, so don't expect that. Now here's the part where I said before that each row will be opposite of the last row. As you can see, I'm doing this triangle where it is opposite of the triangle at the bottom. And I'm just going to follow that throughout the entire row. So we are all done with our parts, and now we're going to be putting in the twist. Y'all, this took me so long to do. If you can get somebody else to do it, please save yourself the trouble. I am using regular Kanekalon braiding hair. I did not cut it in half. I'm using the full length. Actually, I cut it in half for some pieces, like around my head, just so they wouldn't be the same length. I thought it would fit better in the bun that way, but I don't know, maybe my theory is wrong. But anyway, as you can see, I'm twisting one side. I've split my hair in 2, and I'm twisting one side, and then I'm going to twist the other side. And yeah, I think it's basically self-explanatory from here. You're just twisting simultaneously. This is the finished look, you guys. As you can see, your girl is feeling herself. But it was quick, it was easy. Well, the parting wasn't quick and easy, but the twist took no time. And yes, I will be leaving it in the bun this entire time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, toodles!